Characteristics of environmentally friendly and healthy buildings. Creating tomorrow's spaces. Today, unveiling the essence of green architecture. When examining the priorities of green homes, several aspects stand out. 1. Land use. 2. Waste management. 3. Water and energy consumption. 4. Pollution. 5. Transportation. In passive house design, the emphasis is on ensuring that the total energy demand during the building's occupancy phase, including heating, cooling, lighting, and hot water, remains below a certain predefined limit. This is what defines a passive house. Green building or passive building. These terms outline methodologies for constructing structures that adhere to local conditions, climate, and ground realities. They incorporate these factors through thorough analysis and programming, while also capitalizing on the technological advantages offered by modern architecture and correctly assessing environmental impacts. In essence, the process revolves around prioritizing what's best for the building and the environment, rather than just for the architect or the client. The terms green building and environmentally friendly building are commonly used, predominantly concerning energy efficiency. However, they often overlook the concept of embodied energy, the energy consumed during a building's construction phase. Generally, these terms focus on the energy consumed after the building is constructed, which is referred to as operational energy. Unfortunately, the energy consumed before construction tends to be overlooked in these contexts. In the concept of sustainable building, the energy consumed during the construction phase, known as embodied energy, is also crucial and must be prioritized. Studies reveal that a significant portion of energy is consumed during the production of building materials. To truly be considered environmentally friendly, a building must manage the production phase's energy consumption, which accounts for approximately 80% of the overall materials used. Properly managing this phase is pivotal in achieving a sustainable building. This 80% energy consumption during the construction phase can take around 8 to 10 years to be offset. Thus, a building constructed without proper energy management and material selection might only be recognized as a green, environmentally friendly, or energy-efficient structure a decade after its construction. Natural building materials play a significant role in this context. Thanks to industrial advancements, sustainable structures can now be constructed at comparable costs to conventional buildings. This development is highly significant, as budgets are limited, and making a sustainable structure with energy-intensive materials has become accessible to more individuals. Architects and contractors can find roles in institutions that grant green building certifications. This way, they can ensure their construction processes are on the right path, enabling faster progress and accurate adherence to necessary criteria. Embark on a journey into the realm of sustainable architecture, where innovation and nature converge to shape a greener and healthier future for us all. Inspire design with your style.